Hello, beautiful people. I'm going to be giving you an overview for Monday, May 18th, so that you can plan accordingly. I do want you to be my student from 12 to 3. I need my math time on Monday, please. So set aside some time for me. First thing I want you to do is to take attendance, mark yourself as present or here, or give me a little message that tells me how much you miss me, because you know how much I miss you. And then after that, you're going to do the May 18th assignment. So first thing, as we normally do, I'm going to have you do some book work on solving radical equations. So you should be watching those video notes, or you should have taken video notes on those by that time. There's about 6 problems, so not a lot, but some of them do have some meat to them. So I've allotted pretty good amount of time for you guys to do those. I'm going to be available to Zoom with you from 12:45 to 1:15 if you need some help. If it asks you to, and I don't think it will, our password is going to be 0405. And then I want you to turn in this assignment by 1:30. If you look at it, there's 6 problems, and you're going to have an hour and a half to do those. Don't sleep on that. Don't put that off. Start it at 12 o'clock. Reason why is after that, I'm going to have a graphing activity for graphing quadratics just to get a little bit deeper into understanding what's happening with those. And so I want you to spend about an hour of your time working on it, preferably from 2 to 3. So if you do solving radicals from 12 to 1, take a nice little break, and then do the graphing quadratics from 2 to 3, or from 1:30 to 2:30, then you're going to be in great shape. Each of these assignments is worth 10 points. And for the Desmos activity, I want you to do your best. You're going to have to think a little bit. There's a link on here to our Zoom meeting and a link on here to the Desmos classroom activity, which will look like this. And then you're just going to hit join. And then that's going to take you straight to your activity for the day. So it's part 1. It's going to ask you your name. Sign in with your Google. If you don't have Google listed on here, like you can't see your face on there, make sure you're signed in, just to make sure that I can see it, and then I can give you the credit that you deserve. Okay, that's what we're looking at. So some book work, and then some Desmos for graphing quadratics. Superstars when you go on to your next class. Thank you much. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.